Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, The Rebel Neon. I'm Mika, and today I'm continuing a series of videos that I have planned to do some time ago, but for personal reasons I couldn't film anymore, and I'm back, kinda. So today I'm gonna be showing you another resourceful book for hand lettering beginners. It's a very good workbook. It's the Botanical Hand Lettering Workbook by Bethany Robertson. She has a very unique style to her, and I'm really attracted to it, to be honest. So this book is very organic, you know, it's a botanical lettering book. So her lettering is very cute on this book. It's very fun. It's very, like, you know, not looking for perfection, you know, because, like, you know, sometimes we struggle to get the perfect stroke, the perfect transition, and we struggle so much into those things that we forget the main thing of all of this. I mean, the main point of having a hobby is to have fun, right? So this book is very fun, and it will show you a variety of things, from leaves, flowers, shapes, geraniums, you know, how to decorate those little geranium flower thingies. And also it will start with sans serif lettering for you to practice. Then it will move up to serif with a twist, I will say. And in every style of lettering she teaches you, or she shows you, she's giving her own personal touch. And I think that's what makes this book special, that is not the typical perfectly done lettering workbook. It's just I love it. Then it will show you mix and match styles. It will show you block lettering. It will show you how to add dimension to your letters, which is one of my favorite parts and the part that I suck the most. And also have a script lettering, and brush lettering is the last style she touches up on the book. It's like brush lettering, but like with a watercolor vibe to it, like made with watercolor, so it looks very organic and raw again. And also cacti is that's how you say it, cacti. And what else does it have? Banners and embellishments for your letters. That's also at the back of the book. More pages, blank pages for you to practice. Every single style she's gonna give you a space to practice. That's very cool. And at the end of the book, again, you have more white pages for you to practice what you've learned. So overall, I mean, if you're looking to have fun with hand lettering and take it to a more, like, you know, organic, nature inspired style, this is a book to have for sure. I really love it. I cannot stress enough how much I love this book. The original price, it says here, is US $16.95, but I found it at that time on eBay like at 13 something. So you can maybe find a sale of it or anything like that. To me, it has been worth every penny. I haven't written a single thing on it because it's just too cute for me to write on it. So I just grab other pages and I practice outside. But however you want to use it is fine. This is a book to get inspired, to, you know, to love your hobby again, you know. So that's it for this super short, quick review slash flip the pages of this botanical lettering workbook. I hope you like it. If you did, which I don't know if you did or not, but if you did, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, don't give me anything. I don't need it. No, just be happy and let me be happy, and don't give me anything then. And I hope to see you on the next video, but I'll be back like recharged, and I'm gonna keep doing what I love to do.